Hi, my name is Tiki. Today I have created a visually appealing of the recipe for health purpose, and this is called the fish and the bacon chapel release potato squash. It was designed to attract, headle and headline the dish health benefits and entitle the visitor to learn more and crafting the engagement content that not only including cooking recipe but step by step also educate visitor on the nutrition value of ingredients and important strategy to build strong relationship with visitors. So offering tips and healthy living incorporate with the testimonial from the satisfied customer who have tried this recipe. And Linda will be doing the presentation.
Hi, my name is Linda. Today, we provide a detailed cooking recipe for a nutritious and delicious meal titled Fish with Pecan Caper Relish and Potato Squash Bake. Include a list of ingredients specifying quantities, step-by-step instructions for preparing and cooking the dish, and any additional tips or recommendations for preparing a healthy and balanced meal. Here is the ingredient list: 4 fillets of white fish, such as cod or halibut, 1 cup pecans, chopped 1/4 cup capers, drained and chopped 2 tablespoons fresh parsley, chopped 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 2 olive oil and pepper, to taste 2 potatoes, thinly sliced 1 small butternut squash, peeled and thinly sliced 2 cloves garlic, minced 1 cup Parmesan cheese, grated 4 cup almond. Now we can start cooking. We are excited to share a delicious and nutritious recipe for fish with pecan caper relish and potato squash bake. Not only is this dish tasty, but it also offers many health benefits that can improve your overall well-being. Assemble the potato squash bake by layering thinly sliced potatoes and squash in a baking dish with a sprinkle of cheese and herbs. Let's start cooking. Prepare cooking fish with pecan caper relish. Prepare potatoes with onions and butternut squash and bell peppers, extra virgin olive oil. Stir and mix in a bowl. Pour it to a plate. Prepare sliced salmon fish. Prepare lemon herb finishing butter. Apply on top salmon fish slice. Bake in the preheated oven for 30 minutes. Start baking. Prepare shallots and parsley. Add capers and red wine vinegar. Extra virgin olive oil. Add pecans to the bowl. Bake in with mix together the pecans, capers, parsley, lemon juice, and olive oil to make the pecan caper relish. Bake in the preheated oven for 30 minutes. After bake, place in a bowl and add lemon herb finishing butter. Now ready to serve. We designed this recipe, fish with pecan caper relish and potato squash bake, to help online home businesses build their customer database. Design an attractive header highlighting the dish's health benefits and entice visitors to learn more. Craft engaging content that includes the cooking recipe step by step and educates visitors on the nutritional value of the ingredients. Implement strategies to build strong relationships with visitors, such as offering tips for healthy living or incorporating testimonials from satisfied customers who have tried the recipe. Encourage visitors to act by providing a clear call to action button to download the recipe or sign up for a newsletter. Ultimately, aim to convert these visitors into customers by showcasing the benefits of incorporating this nutritious dish into their diet and emphasizing its positive impact on their overall health and well-being.
Wanting to build a home business online is more effective using a strategy of home cooking recipes. Emphasize the nutritional benefits of the ingredients used and suggest potential substitutions or modifications for dietary restrictions or preferences. aim to inspire readers to create a wholesome dish that promotes overall well-being and healthy eating habits. Happy learning and cooking at home. My mentor Dickie will teach how you can create detailed and appetizing recipes for your loved ones. And do it at home, including step-by-step instructions on how to prepare and cook each ingredient. Cooking your expertise in your home for an online business. For more information, contact Dickie at dickielim@gmail.com. Website, https://funnel. Website, https://+/++.